The question everyone has thought about, but no one ever answers straight. What if the only thing standing between you and becoming a billionaire was your own front door? Here's something most people will never admit out loud. I know what I need to do. I know exactly what I need to do. Step outside. Meet the right people. Ask the right questions. Get the right help. And yet, I stay home. Not because I'm lazy. Not because I don't care. But because something invisible keeps pulling me back. Something I can't even name. And here's the terrifying truth. The most dangerous prison in the world has no walls, no guards, no locks. It is built entirely inside your own mind. Think about what's out there. Rich people, successful people, people who have already solved the problems you're struggling with right now. One conversation with the right person can save you 10 years. One question asked face to face can open a door you didn't even know existed. But you have to show up to ask it. The richest networks in the world are not on your phone. They're in rooms you haven't walked into yet. And every day you stay comfortable, someone else is walking into that room instead of you. Here's what Elon Musk, Ronaldo, Joe Rogan, and Rockefeller all have in common. None of them were born extraordinary. They each just picked one thing and gave it 15 to 20 years. Ronaldo gave everything to football. Joe Rogan gave everything to podcasting. Rockefeller gave everything to building wealth. After 15 years, you don't just know your field. You become the field. Failure teaches you. Success confirms you. Every lesson gets absorbed into your bones. You stop guessing. You start knowing. That's not talent. That's time turned into mastery. So here's the real question. You already know what you're capable of. You already know what you need to do. The only thing left is the hardest step of all.
Open the door, walk outside, and don't come back the same. Because the version of you that stays home, that person never finds out how far they could have gone.